What's shaking, gang? All right, on day 3, I am in Denver, and I'm walking over. The hotel did not have a charger overnight, so there's a municipal building, maybe a good block away right here, and it said that you can charge on it over the weekends, and during the week, you can charge on it until 5 a.m. in the morning. 5 a.m. you got to move it because it's for the municipal people that work there, which is fine. That's cool, but it's Sunday, so the truck's still there. I can see it. I'm like, I hope they didn't tow it, because it does have signs there that say, if you leave it here too long, we're going to tow it. And also, you got to open the spot up for other people as well. But I think there's 4 or 5 chargers here, and they're just overnight chargers. So I'm just happy the truck didn't get towed. But I know she went up to 100% because I've been checking her on the app, which has been cool. It's a beautiful day out here. It's going to be 56 degrees, and I'm going to be hanging out here in Denver for the day. So a lot of good stuff happening today. A little less anxiety and a little less stress than the last few days. I'm not going to lie. I'm not going to deny it. Of course I'm not going to lie, but I'm not going to deny it that there is a little level of anxiety about the battery and driving in the cold weather and trying to understand that range and dial it in. And I feel very confident that I do have that dialed in. And so it's supposedly only going to get warmer as far as the forecast goes. Rainier and snowy, but warmer. All right, here, I'll show you. Here's the truck. There she is. And we have charging here. There's big charger, station A, and then the smaller chargers, which is kind of cool. See, it's for the employees only. Filers, you got to get out of here by 6 a.m., which is fine. So tomorrow morning, I'll get out of here by 6 a.m. And here we go. I was going to pull that out, but I forgot if I have to turn it off first, but no, I don't. Yeah, beautiful. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Close her up here. Oh, I love it. That's awesome. Here, let me take you around. She's kind of dirty. Rock on. Okay. That's it for day 3. We're going to have a chill day today. And I will catch up with y'all later on, maybe tomorrow morning before we take off. There's 3 of us taking off, and I'm picked up a couple passengers. Woo-hoo. And we're heading on down south. So we'll catch you on the flip. Peace.